So this is the conclusion part for the first chapter, what is science, where we cannot find any question answers from this chapter. Only we need to understand the concepts. Questions will be directly asked from this chapter. And so in this first chapter only, in biology, they have no any question answers here. So continuation from the last chapter, from the last topic, what we have discussed is about precautions and what safety methods what we need to take in the science laboratory. Today we discuss about the secret of inventions and discoveries only that will lie in identifying the problem. How we need to identify the problem, how heliocentric theory of Copernicus, and how Newton's investigation in a case of apple when falls down directly onto the earth, when we make it to fall down from the thing, and the meaning behind that, they will be making this we will understand from some topics here. So scientists, how they will be identifying, thinking in a unique way, and again how they inventing, and what is the necessity of the mother of invention. So if we need one thing, necessity will be getting. For example, in corona times, if you remember, masks are necessary. So what happened here, invention started, discoveries started here. So when there is a necessity, invention and discoveries will start. For example, now if we need a safety house, so due to this corona, safety houses also we need to plan, so that houses also will be getting without getting any diseases, like that. How scientists have worked, and how supersonic jet planes are working, how rockets are launching. Chandrayaan 2 you have seen, Chandrayaan 1 you have seen. So how they are going to establish, and how the spacecrafts are going to launch, how in case of different scientists are working on their experiments, and how the history of science is there. So these all learned by scientific methods here. So if we try to learn this all in a basic steps here, we will have a small example also. First thing here, from here we will start. So first, how scientists will be going on working. Usually you will also will follow the same method here to find, which is clearly given in our textbook here. First one, uh, you will be having an identification. For example, at your home bulb, or at your classroom or home, bulb is not glowing. Bulb is not glowing. Understood? So what is the meaning of that bulb is not glowing here? Meaning of that means here you will start investigation, identifying. So what you will identify, bulb is not growing, not glowing here. You have identified this problem. Then what will you will do here, you will list out different things here. So what might happen here, the solutions you will identify. That means maybe bulb is not going, here you will get your identification problem has completed, you have identified. Next one, you will come to one hypothesis. What is that hypothesis here? Maybe filament is not there, failed, or home fuse has been failed, whether there is a problem in switch, whether there is a problem in wire. These might be the hypothesis. So to understand that, what you will think here again, for this you will make collect information, and you will solve also. Fourth step, you will solve. How you will solve that here, you will try to collect a tester, or otherwise a screwdriver, or otherwise a cutting player, or small screwdrivers, whatever you needed here, you will just get that, or a quick scale here to cut that wires, iron scales, or blade, anything. You'll just collect some information here. So how you will understand here, you will arrange this data which is useful for your repair work today. That means here bulb is not glowing here. To make it successful, what kind of thing you needed to success, or to make that bulb to glow, you will make that analysis here. After that, what you will do here, you will conduct one experiment here. So after conducting experiment, what you will understand here, you will think that yes, you observed the filament here, filament was the problem, so you replaced a new bulb here. Filament lost means we cannot break this glass, we cannot make that, so we will take a new light. Then what will happen, it will work. So here this light is working, here light is not working. Why? Because you analyzed the problem that this bulb has no any fuse, so it failed to glow. And this bulb you purchased, as it is a new bulb, it has a new film. or new filament here. So this has worked here. So scientists also in this same method, they will generalize the thing depending upon their talent based here. That means wherever problem, actual problem is there, if you identify that, then the system will be there. For example, in a classroom here, if a teacher is teaching here, then all the students will listen to the class, one student will be disturbing. So if the teacher comes and stops this person disturbing student, then the class will be perfectly moving on. So where is the problem? If we see correctly, then we can solve every problem. Now in corona times also, corona pandemic times also, everyone are sitting at home without any education here. So where is the problem here? Within the student it is the problem. So what they need to do here, they need to find problem to get the classes here. And this is the way to find out solutions for many problems in a scientific way. And you may also select such problems and find your own solutions here. Understood?